You want me to put this where?
It's on. Yeah.
You want me to put this on YouTube?
Yeah.
What are you making?
A tornado, and it goes back up by itself.
Okay, do it again. People on YouTube want to see a longer video than that. Wow, pretty impressive there, bud. You like tornadoes?
Not that much.
I think you do. How old are you, Finn?
6.
Yeah? Have you ever seen a real tornado?
No.
No, not yet, huh? Do you want to?
Yeah.
You do? Where do they have tornadoes?
In Kansas and Oklahoma.
Kansas and Oklahoma?
And was it?
Texas?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Utah sometimes.
Sometimes in Utah, huh?
Remember?
Yeah.
One time.
One time in Salt Lake City, huh?
And then,
There was a couple other ones that were kind of small, huh?
yeah. Sometimes I see tornadoes, but they're dirt.
Yeah, they're just like little microbursts, huh? Little dust devils.
Yeah.
Alright, do the tornado one more time.
Wait, I'm gonna go. Wait. How about I get